If you have been struggling to create designs, maybe you are a beginner and you're looking for how to create designs, or maybe you have been spending a lot of money on designs and you want to really understand how to create designs with Canva, make sure to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the entire process and the entire thing you need to know on how you can use Canva to create simple designs for your projects or for your business. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome to this channel. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So having said that, just like this video, subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I post more videos, when I publish new videos, you are going to be notified. All right, now let's jump straight into the video. Let me show you a complete walkthrough, a tutorial of how you can use Canva to create your designs. Now, I may not be going into the deep parts of designing, but I'll just show you what you should know as a beginner who is intending to start designing with Canva. All right, so let's jump into Canva right now. If you're going to need Canva, if you're going to work with Canva, you're going to need the Canva app, which is what you are seeing here on my screen. So to download this, just go to your Google Play Store and download it. So I already have this. I'll just come here and click on Canva. So this is actually a tool that can help you simplify your designs. All right, it can help you simplify your designs. What I mean by that is that you don't need to be designing from scratch. You don't even need to be a professional to have the best designs here. All Canva has done for you is to create pre-made template for you. So your job is to come here and click on it and edit it to your taste. Are you getting it now? So this is what the Canva app looks like by the time you download it and open it on your phone. But in your case, you are not going to see all of this place that says recent design. You're not going to see anything there because maybe probably you are a beginner. All right, so when you come here now, you're going to be presented with all of these things here. Let's say you want to design whatever you want to design, whether it is a YouTube thumbnail, whether it is a presentation, whether it is an Instagram post, whether it is a video, whether it is a document or a website. Canva has you covered. Okay, the easiest way for you to come through and search for what you are looking for, probably you want to design a book cover, you will come to the top here. That's why you have the search your content and canvas. All right, you come to the top here and type it, click on it and type whatever you are looking for. Do you understand? As a beginner, you don't want to be stressed. Okay, so you come here and type whatever you're looking for. Once you type it and you enter, everything will come out for you. Let's do an example. Let's say ebook cover, or let's say Instagram post. We want to make an Instagram post about our business. Okay, let's just say Instagram posts. Can you see? You will see now it will bring out all the Instagram posts for us. Just watch this right now. Now, if you scroll down, can you see? So whether your post you want to make is about a business or is about an event or is about an advertisement or whatever, you can come here and pick anyone you want. Pick anyone you want and start working on it. Are you getting it now? Now, that makes your work to be very easy. If you are somebody that wants to design from scratch, you can click on the create blank. But that is going to stress you because you are going to be cracking your brain to come up with designs with colors and whatever. All right, but that's not the essence of why you are here. You want to be able to work faster and produce results faster. Are you getting it now? That's why you have the templates. Now let's go back to home so that we get back to where we came from. Can you see now? So when you have been designing for a while, you are going to see your recent designs here. Can you see this now? You are going to see your recent design. So if you want to do, let's say you want to be doing YouTube, let's say you are a YouTuber, you want to be creating YouTube thumbnails. You don't have to stress yourself. You can come here and click this place and say YouTube thumbnails. If you can't find it on the top here, you can come to the search area and search for it. Are you getting now? Alternatively, you can just click this one. All right. So that's how Canva works. Now, if you scroll down, if you come here and click on these three lines at the top left, three horizontal lines, click on it, you are going to see some designs you have created and some menu. Can you see? If you look at this now, it's saying upgrade your plan. That means Canva is telling you to upgrade so that you can get the best version of these two. You can create a brand here. You can go to the app. You can use other apps here. You can ask Canva questions. Are you seeing now? So there is much you can actually do on this place, but this is not where you are actually going to be working. All right. So you will not touch this one. Let me take you to a simple. Let's just create a simple design. Now let's just create a simple design so you see how it works. Let's say we want to create a social media post. We'll come here and click on social media. All right, or you just type Instagram post just like we did before. So let's just type Instagram post. Let's type it. Good. So this is our post. It's different versions or different options of Instagram post. Let's say we want to use this online payment. Click on it. I'm showing you a process of how you can do your design using Canva. All right. So once this finish loading, the next thing you are going to be doing is to edit. As simple as that is. Okay. So let's just wait for it to load. Yes, it has finished loading. Are you seeing now? So what you are going to do is to edit it. And to edit it is very simple. You click on whatever you want to edit. Are you getting now? You change the name to your own name. Are you seeing now? Change the name to your own name. Are you seeing the way I'm doing it now? You change the name to your own name. Can you see? So you keep editing like that. If you want to change the picture, you click on the picture, and on the left side below, you are going to see replace. So once you click on replace, it's going to take you to your gallery so that you can pick the picture that you want to replace it with. Are you getting now? So once you are done with editing, remember I said if you want to edit, you just click on whatever you want to edit and change it. All right. Now, once you are done with the editing, you can download it. I'm going to show you that in a moment. But before then, let's look at the other things that are very important. If you look down here below on the left, you are going to be seeing edit. If you click on that edit is for you to be able to edit some of the content. All right. That's an alternative way to edit your text without clicking on it. Are you getting now? Let's go back. So we are seeing edits there. Right? That's edit. Now, let's say you pick this picture and you don't really like it. You pick this design. Let's say you pick this design and you don't really like this one. What you can do is to come to this place that says design on the left side below. Click on design. All right. You are still going to see more templates that looks like the type that you have just picked. You get it now? More templates. Can you see these are more templates? So once you click on that, it's going to bring you here. But let's get out of this place for now. Right? Back to our design. So the first thing you are seeing now, let's look at this now. When you come to this design here, you are seeing replace. If you want to change the color, you can see the major color here is green. If you want to change the color, we click on this color here and click on it once. Let's change it to red. Can you see it has changed? So you can pick any color that you want and change it to your taste. Can you see? Can you see? So this is just how to do colors. So what if you want to animate? You can come here, you can come here and animate. If you want to add layers, but all of those things are not really very important, because for now you just want to do something very simple. Okay, so let's go out from this place. Let's go out from this place. If you want to add an element, let's say you want to add a circle, or you want to add, let's say, a square to your image, to your design, what are you going to do? You're going to come to this place that says element. You click on it. All right, when you click on it, now you're going to now choose what kind of element do you want to add. All right, as you can see on the top, you are seeing frame. If you want to add a frame to it, if you want to add an arrow to the design, if you want to add a logo to the design, if you want to add a line, if you want to add a shadow, if you want to add a circle, if you want to add a background, can you see? You have so many things you can add to the design you want to add. Now, let's say we want to add a circle. What do we do? I'm going to click on the circle, right? See, now the circle has been added. Are you seeing now? This is the circle here. Can you see it? This is the circle that has been added. You can change the color by clicking the color below. Once I click on it here, I can change the color. Can you see? So I can decide that I want this circle to go behind. Are you getting now? I can decide that I want this circle to go behind. If I want the circle to go behind, what do? I will come below here and scroll and look for position. I will look for what? Position, and click on position. Can you see? And I will say backwards. When I click backwards, watch what happens to the circle. Are you seeing? It's going backwards. Can you see? If I want to bring it forward, I'll click on forward. It will come forward. Can you see? So this is how to do it. All right. Now, what's the next thing? If I want to add a text, I will click on the T here. Can you see this T here? I'll click on it once. And once I click on it once, I can come here and pick any text that I want to add. Let's say I want to pick this one that says 1286. I'll click on it. It's going to appear there. Can you see? It has appeared there. So what will I do? The next thing I will do is to edit it. Are you getting now? The next thing I will do is to edit it. I will click on it and then I will start editing it to my taste. Okay, this is just a softer way to use your Canva. All right, this is not a full complete tutorial, but if you want to really learn how to do designs with Canva, simple designs like this, I can teach you how to do. I can show you how to use this app step by step. So if you want to learn how to do designs, I have a program that is designed for you. All you need to do is to go to the link in the description, click on the link. All right, it will take you to my WhatsApp, where I'm going to add you to the waiting list. All right, this is not for everybody. There's a qualification process. So if you get through, then you can now be part of the Canva training program. All right, so that is that for this video. This is where I'm going to stop for this video. If you want to download this design now, you can come up here, click on this arrow pointing down, and once you click on it, it's going to be downloaded to your gallery. Very easy peasy. Okay, that is where I'm going to stop for this video. I believe that you have learned something, no matter how small. If you want to learn more about how to use this app, go to the link in the description. I'll drop all the required links that you will need. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Like this video, subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.